One of the main reasons I think most video business owners and video agency owners struggle so much is because they think too much like video agency owners. And what I mean by that is like you think too much like someone who is creating content for a client and not enough like a business consultant, somebody who is going to actually solve a business problem with the content that you're going to create. So I had a case study with one of our clients, Joe, yesterday, and one of the main things, big takeaways he had from the program was building a gap from where they are to where they want to be and actually understanding how to solve business problems. So like let's say that a coach or consultant comes to you and they want you to make content for them. They want you to make some organic social content. Well, they come to you, they want that. What most videographers would do is be like, "Yeah, cool. Like how many? What do you want?" and I'll do it. Where you need to pivot is you need to say, "Well, hold on a second. Like I understand you want that, but what is the main goal of the content? What do you want out of that?" So in that case, you're saying, hey, what do you want out of the content? What's the business goal? And then, hey, I want to get more leads. I want to get more clients. I want to grow my business. Great. Okay, awesome. Now you can attach that to a actual revenue goal for them, right? Say, well, I really want to hit 500K a month in my coaching business, and I need more content to run as ads for organic and to, distribute on long form on YouTube so I can get more leads and more calls and more clients. Whereas when you didn't ask that question, you're left with like, well, what do I price it at? What do I price my content at? How do I price it? Blah, blah, blah. And that's where people A, undercharge, and B, don't actually solve the real issue. And so when you understand, hey, this is a $500,000 a month problem for this person, I can charge a lot more than what I initially thought I was going to be able to charge because it's a bigger problem that's worth more money. And in Joe's situation, what he was saying was basically that he had someone that came to him that had produced content in the past that didn't end up working for him, and he was really frustrated, and he was going to different video providers and none of them understood. And all Joe had to do was be like, well, what did you do in the past and why do you feel like it didn't work, and what is the outcome you're looking for? He was able to figure out what that thing is. And then once he was able to do that, he said, oh, well, the main issue you're having is like you're not targeting the right types of people with the content. And he figured that out for this guy, explained it to him in the sales call, and the guy closed it was like a 10K a month retainer. And so most people would leave that deal on the table because they're not actually asking the hard questions around, what is the main business goal with the content? You have to tie it back to what is the main business goal? What do they want? It has to be a monetary outcome. If it's just like this is for fun outcome and it's not like a make money outcome, then you're not going to be able to charge a lot of money for it because it's not a big deal to them, right? So like just a short video is just top of mind. I think it's super important to just really think about what is the goal with the content they want to create and what is the reason that they want to create it. And then once you do that, you ask better questions and then you get to the root of the financial problem. You build that financial gap of where they are to where they want to be. And then you position your product or service as the thing that's going to get them there. So hopefully it's helpful. We'll see you in the next video.